Imagine a world where joint pain becomes a thing of the past, thanks to revolutionary advancements in medical technology. The global joint reconstruction devices market is poised for a staggering leap, projected to reach a whopping $30.57 billion by 2033, growing at a steady 5.0% CAGR. But here's where it gets exciting. Its growth isn't just about numbers. It's about transforming lives. Business Market Insights, BMI, reveals in their report Joint Reconstruction Devices Market Size and Forecast, 2021 to 2031, that technological breakthroughs are reshaping the entire joint reconstruction landscape. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about replacing joints. It's about making them better than ever before. The report paints a picture of a future where joint implants are not only more durable, but also incredibly patient-specific. Think 3D printed implants tailored to your unique anatomy, leading to faster recovery times and fewer complications. Robot-assisted surgeries, once a futuristic dream, are now a reality, offering unparalleled precision and minimizing human error. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Biocompatible materials like highly cross-linked polyethylene and titanium alloys are making implants more comfortable and long-lasting. This means less pain, improved mobility, and a quicker return to the activities you love. Is this the future of joint health we've all been waiting for? Let's delve deeper into the factors driving this market boom. Firstly, the rising tide of chronic diseases, coupled with an aging population, is fueling demand for joint reconstruction solutions. Additionally, the growing preference for minimally invasive procedures, which promise quicker recovery and less scarring, is a major game changer. Imagine undergoing joint surgery and being back on your feet in record time. But here's a question to ponder. Will the high cost of these advanced technologies limit access for everyone? Geographically, North America currently leads the pack, thanks to its advanced healthcare infrastructure and early adoption of cutting-edge technologies. However, the Asia-Pacific region is emerging as a powerhouse, driven by increasing healthcare access and a growing awareness of orthopedic conditions. The market is segmented by product type, fixation type, material, surgery type, and end user, with knee reconstruction devices dominating the scene in 2024. Key players like Stryker, Zimmer Biomet, and Johnson & Johnson are at the forefront of innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Recent developments, such as Exotech's Newton knee balancing technology and Restorides' FDA-cleared personalized knee replacement system, showcase the rapid pace of progress. These advancements are not just about replacing joints. They're about restoring lives and empowering individuals to live pain-free, active lifestyles. So, what does the future hold for joint reconstruction? With AI integration, robotic assistance, and personalized implants becoming the norm, the possibilities are truly exciting. While challenges like cost and accessibility remain, the relentless pursuit of innovation promises a future where joint pain is no longer a barrier to living life to the fullest. What are your thoughts on the future of joint reconstruction? Do you think these advancements will be accessible to everyone, or will they remain a privilege for the few? Let's spark a conversation in the comments below.